let's cook with paneer. How to make batata.
Oh, best angle. Right there. Put it in the middle. Thing right here.
We gotta take the paneer. Like that. Excuse me.
Right there.
Alright, so then you put some water on it. Piece is too big, so what we're gonna do, we gotta cut it half. God, 1 second.
Make the mess.
So then you put water in the half. Look at that. Oh, more water. Cover the whole batata. Alright, boom. Then you put it right there. You know what I'm saying? Turn it on. Put it inside. Put the fire like in half. Now put some salt. Don't put too much. Relax. Don't put too much. You know what I'm saying? Don't put too much. Then get spoon to mix it up. Mix it. Alright, so then clean your mess. I don't make no mess. Put some here. That's it. You're done. Now we gotta wait like. Let's go downstairs. We gotta put some water. So let's go. Put it like in the middle like that. You see that? Alright, so we put some water. We gotta mix it again. So let's go. So let's see. Alright, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes and it's done, so yeah. Alright, so you know you gotta pick something what to eat, bro. So I'm gonna make some eggs for my dad. Alright, we gotta dry, you know what I'm saying? Put in the stove. Boom. You see that? Woohoo! But you see, I'm gonna put right there. Turn this off for now.
Treat me like what these.
Scuba the toilet! Yeah! Oh, I think it's that. Alright, so, boom. Your search key. So, we can turn the batata off. Oh my god, that's hot! Wanna see how that looking, guys?
That's it.
Yeah, relax. I know what I'm doing, bro. Take your, bro.
Oh.
Wash and learn. Wash and learn.
Look at you.
Boil your eggs.
Oh no.
So, clean this. Bro, I'm not like the Ora Neldi that freaking said, let's make a hot dog, guys. And
Ahora vamos a hacer how to make hot dog.
he only showed what I'm gonna use. Oil. So, 1, 2. You got a closer look, cameraman.
Women.
4. still cold, bruh.
And then it's not even on. You so dominantly.
Oh my god, Oh, my dad said he wanted, that's 3 pieces. Just gonna use 2 pieces. Vanilla. Look how the batata looks. Good. Crispy. You see? It's good cooked. It's not even that hard. So yeah. Make sure you. Yeah. Man, show the cheese. That's how the cheese looks. So yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like the video. Peace.
Estaba arrebatado.